We present to your attention a CNC machine of our own design for 2D wire bending with a diameter of 2 to 8 millimeters, equipped with a welding robot. The machine is powered by 2 servo motors, each with a power of 4.5 kilowatts, and a cutting knife with a power of 1.5 kilowatts. The CNC machine is equipped with a combined type straightening unit with rollers for wire correction, available in 2 diameters. The straightening units can be rotated at any angle and fixed around the wire axis. All machine components are mounted on a sturdy rotating table with adjustable angles. The table is designed for the production of large parts up to 1600 millimeters in size. The table can be positioned both horizontally and at a specific angle. Additional working fields can be attached to the table for large parts, increasing the table's size. When producing parts larger than 1 meter, it is advisable to work on a horizontally positioned table to avoid deformation of the part under its weight. Parts can be removed from the table using either an operator or an additional device for removing finished products. The model is equipped with a welding robot with a system for removing large parts from the table and throwing them aside. The table comes with a welding robot with a current range of 7,500 to 12,000 amperes, according to the customer's choice. All welding robot controls are managed through CNC, and for convenience and process setup, they are duplicated on a 10-button handheld controller. The welding terminals have channels for the circulation of cooling fluid, and the robot is equipped with a circulation pump and a tank for cooling fluid. The main mechanics of the welding mechanism, which is equipped with this 2D machine, are pneumatic components from the Italian manufacturer Metalwork, with whom our company, ElectroTorg, has been successfully cooperating for many years. The CNC machine is equipped with a pneumatic clamp. The yellow control panel operates the pre-feed unit, making the operator's job easier when loading the wire. Simply feed the wire into the unit, clamp it with the pneumatic cylinder, controlled by the red button on the panel, and use the forward-backward buttons to feed or retract the wire. Automatic wire unwinding. It operates from a limit switch activated by the wire tension in the machine. It is not connected to the CNC machine and has its own automatic modes. Automatic mode operation from wire tension. Manual mode operation with left-right rotation. Thanks to the frequency control of the motor, you can adjust additional parameters of the unwinding device, such as smoothness, acceleration speed, drum braking, and the appropriate unwinding speed, depending on the machine's operation mode and wire coil diameter. Machine software allows converting a part in DXF format, created in a computer-aided design CAD system, into G-code for direct part production on the machine, or for simulation of the manufacturing process. Let's examine this in more detail. To do this, we start the program, select Import from DXF, choose a file, open and select the DXF file. Here we see the figure from the DXF file, which can be rotated. We see the yellow cutting point. It can be changed. Set a new cutting point. Generate G-code and save it as a task file. This can then be executed on the machine or used for simulation. Now let's look at the part Creation menu and the simulation window to see how the part will be created in the simulation. For this, select Create Figure. Show Adjustments. These tables set values for bending, by pushing and by pulling. This is a graph display menu for wire springback. Depending on the parameters entered in the tables, a new graph is generated for each table. Here, the wire radii and mandrels are set. Now let's look at how it will appear in the simulation. Here we see the machine itself represented as a 3D model, the red wire from which the part will be made, and the die and punch, which can be selected from the die and punch catalog. Select a part for simulation. To do this, click File and choose the previously created task file generated from the DXF file. The part is ready. The machine is equipped with all rollers for all wire diameters from 2 to 8 millimeters, as well as dies, matrices, and punches. For those who watched until now and want to see the machine in action, here is a video of creating various parts. Our company also trains operators to work with the machine, and now you see how a new operator is creating their first parts during their first encounter with the machine on their first working day. It's not difficult at all, and anyone who has undergone our basic training will be able to work with the machine. The result of manufacturing test parts? At various speeds, such parts were obtained with high precision. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like to see our machine in action, please contact us using the contact details provided.